Okay, so we have configured the Cedalion workbench to work from Eclipse, and we open Eclipse and we can start doing stuff. We can start our first project. So let us create a project which is just a general Eclipse project, which we will call hello. So this is at this point an empty project, but we will add a file, just a regular file, and we will call it hello.ced. CED is the extension for Cedalion files, which is understood by Eclipse as something it has to open with the Cedalion editor. So it opened it with the Cedalion editor. Now what you see here is actually an empty list. This empty list is the list of statements in this file. A file consists of statements, and in this particular file this list is empty. We will change the situation by right-clicking the empty list and choosing Insert. Insert is also Shift-Alt-Insert, which will create a single empty entry at this point. We will click it and give it content. The content is going to be hello world in parentheses. Now this is a text area where we can write Cedalion code in Prolog-like syntax. This syntax is very simple, it's very basic. We write concepts in lowercase letters and in the form of that look like functions in C or Java. World is also a concept, but it is a concept that does not take arguments. So we just click enter, and as you can see, the hello world structure that we statement that we entered gets into the projectional area of the screen. It is being projected in the exact same form as we typed it, only that here we are seeing errors, a missing signature for hello and a missing signature for world. Cedalion is a statically typed programming language, so everything that we use, every concept that we use, must have a type signature. We can create a type signature by clicking by double-clicking the error sign, which will propose a declaration for us, a type signature. In this case, for world. Okay, so we can now declare world as what? What is a world? It's a place. But Cedalion doesn't know what a place is either. I can double-click it again and see that it declares place as a type. It knows that place is a type because in a declaration, after the double colon, it must see a type. So here, place is a type, world is a place. All of those are still marked in red because these definitions did not take effect. In order for them to take effect, we need to save, which is also Control S. Okay, so now world is a place and is a legal concept of type place, but hello is still unknown. We will repeat this process with hello. So it proposes this declaration that we will take. So declare hello world as a statement where world is a place. But this declaration this type signature is flawed because the argument here is not a variable, so that we try to create a signature for the concrete statement hello world and not hello any place. So instead of world, we will write place, which is a variable. We write it with a capital P to tell Cedalion that it is a variable. Variables are marked in green. So this variable can take the form of any place, and we copy and paste it also here so that the declaration is okay. If we save now, we get rid of all our type checking errors. But something is still off here. Hello world is written in a way that we don't like. We want it to be written the way we think about it. Hello, comma, world. How do we address this? So on this bullet next to the declaration of hello, I can right click and choose define projection. This can also be mimicked by pressing F9. And it proposes a projection definition. Display hello place as horizontal a horizontal layout containing place. Now this is not exactly what we want. We want it to be hello place. So we click here and insert. This is actually a list, and we insert an element to the list, and here we enter the string hello, comma. Now strings in the text area are entered, well, are prefixed with a quote, with a double quote, and then we have the content of the string. So I hit enter, and this string goes here wrapped with what we call a label, which tells Cedalion to write this string in this place. I save it again, and hello world is written in the way we want it to be written. Now I can write hello, say hello to anyone. I insert another statement and write hello, and when I hit Control and space to get a menu of options, I can see two hellos. One is they both represent the same thing. This hello comes from the declaration, and this one comes from the syntactic definition. I click either of them and write here America. I write America with a small letter because this is a new concept, not a variable. But it doesn't know what America is, but this has an easy fix. And now America is a place. Cedalion knows that America is a place because it comes in this location in the hello statement. When I save, everything is okay, except America starts with a small letter. This can be easily fixed as well. I just click this one and hit F9, which adds a projection definition, which I replace with America with a capital letter as a string. When I save this, hello America appears as it should.